Morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of Coffee and Questions. What's today's topic? I'm going to talk about garage shelving. This time doesn't really have anything to do with Harbor Freight. They don't really sell the ones that I wanted, and I'll show you a picture here. Let me show you a picture from Home Depot, and I'll give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, those are the ones that Home Depot has for sale, and so then I went to Amazon like I always do, and I bought this set initially. Okay, when I got these, I'll tell you, they're very easy to install. There's no thrill in the unpackaging. They just come in a cardboard box, you take them out, and it comes with enough lag bolts for you to be able to lag the brackets into the wall and use them. What I didn't realize at first, in forgetting what they tell you how many pounds it can hold and all this, I have trays like you saw in the pictures that are very heavy, and I stack them on each other. Well, I found out real quick that with these shelves, although they look great when they're up, you can't really put anything heavy on them. If you do and you're getting close to that middle section, it starts to bow on you. So I was a little annoyed and I thought, well, I'm not going to send them back. I can still use them. I'll just put lighter weight, bulkier items on them, and they're still great for storage. So in one sense, it's maybe my fault I didn't take a closer look and think about getting ones that had 3 brackets to give you that additional strength. So I went ahead and I put them up. I'm using them. I mean, they're working fine and great, but I needed to go ahead and buy more. So I bought these on the first go around just to see how everything would work out. And like I said, I was glad I did. On the second go around, this is what I got. Okay, now these, both sets have got a great finish on them. On this second go around, yeah, I paid a little bit more for them, but what it did come with, it came with a fairly good sized box with a lot of different mounting fasteners in it, including lag bolts, which is what I ended up using because I just went through the wall into 2x4s. And to ensure, like on the one side, it was going to be able to hold this, it says 300 pounds. And you can put that much weight on them. And I thought, well, it's where I wanted to position them. I didn't put that third bracket directly in the middle. I offset it a little to the right, like you saw in the picture, but that also gave me a very large amount of additional strength on that part of the shelving. So it's just the way I wanted to do it for right now. I can always reposition the brackets later out in the garage. It's fairly easy to do. But I liked it because it came with such a huge, nice, big assortment of fasteners, like I said. It comes with a set of directions, which is basically just telling you, find where your studs are located, 16 inches on center, whatever, and go ahead, line your brackets up, set a level across them. The directions are there. I'm not going to go through step by step. It's very easy to mount these. I'll tell you the way I did it, though, is after I marked where I wanted the holes, I drilled a pilot hole, just with a drill. And then I came in back of that and I put my lag bolts through there and snugged them up. Now, so far, these things are holding up fantastically well. I would definitely buy them again. There was no thrill. I was thought about unpacking them in front of you, and I thought, well, I don't really, personally, I'm just saying, I don't like unpackaging videos. It's like, I don't care. Just get to the product and talk about it. But okay, if you wanted to know, it just came in a box. That's it. It had some kind of plastic wrap around each one of the shelves and a small, cardboard box with all the fasteners. Now, after I use the lag bolts, of course, those fasteners, these are not cheapy fasteners. They're good fasteners. So I have a place in my garage to keep stuff like that, so I'll keep those for another future project or whatever. But these are currently on sale. I'll leave you the link below. I would tell you take a strong look at them. Now you can put these together in a modular way. You can put them side by side. You can create different patterns. Um, I think they're great. I mean, if I had other places to use them, and maybe down the line I will in the garage, I know that On Amazon, you can go to where it says orders, and then I can reorder this same product again. And that's probably what I'll end up doing. Right now, I don't have room for it because my other shelves are already here and they're much longer. So, but they're good, okay? And I like things on shelves. What this did is it replaced some broken down cabinets that I had. I just tore them out, patched the holes, repainted, and then hung these new ones. I like things that are out in the open where I can visually see them and not necessarily, behind cabinet doors. Those are just my thoughts. If you know of something better, drop it in, the links below. Otherwise, check out the link below. Check out and see that the discount's still going, and if you're interested in them. And like I say on my videos, when you click on the links, it helps me with the stray cats. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you folks have a great day. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.